I'd like to start things out by talking about data and decision making. And I guess what are some of the most transformative fleet safety technologies currently in use? Mike, I'm going to kick that over to you.
It's an interesting question you ask, because there's a number of different ways I could go with this. I think probably the most crucial of all the technologies that are out there today is definitely video event-based technology, right? We're talking video cameras in the cab, looking out the windshield, down the sides of the tractor. Transformative technology right there. That's a game changer. And I think as technology has progressed in recent years, especially, that's kind of like the starting point is, do you have video-based safety? And then, now there's all kinds of services out there that take that data and kind of let you manipulate it and act upon that data in very specific ways that we didn't have access to before. So I think video cameras is an excellent starting point, but I feel that there's other complementary technologies that goes along with that really empowers the safety directors to make more informed decisions, more impactful decisions, and get better results.
Great. Christie, over to you as well. What do you think the most transformative fleet safety technologies are currently in use?
I agree with Michael. The cameras are definitely a game changer, and the external cameras add even more. We have a couple of piloting trucks that were piloting the external cameras, where you can actually see all the way down from the mirror, because they're put on the rearview mirror, put on the side mirrors, and it looks all the way back down past the trailer. So if anybody sideswipes you, because I've had drivers call in, say that, somebody sideswiped them, and you really don't have anything there to be able to gauge from that unless you actually have that proof, and it actually captured it. And it is game changing. I feel like the automatic braking, things like that are also very helpful as well. I can't quite, the lane assist technology, that's very helpful as well. They can also help us be able to see, gives the drivers a little bit more things to work with there when they're out there.
That's excellent. Thank you for that. I'm going to kick off another question. This one's to you, Paul. How have those technologies impacted the day-to-day operations for fleet managers?
As Mike said, very interesting question. It can go a bunch of different ways. So when it comes to fleet managers, we've had dash cameras now for over 4 years, and the transformative part of it, like Michael said, is extremely powerful from the fleet manager standpoint. Getting this information into their hands, so that they have better visibility on these safety programs has been key to making transformations happen within the fleet. Traditionally, safety has been one of those closed vests. We get all the information and then we tell you the bad stuff. By changing the game and changing that culture and sharing the video technologies, the speed technologies, all these different safety programs so they can see the big picture, it empowers them to look at their fleets more critically from a safety perspective versus just purely operational and profitability. So yeah, that's been a big change.